Ebusia for me chiamu. Madam was in so say bring na me di videos ba. Na munya adaje na mo hwe edi mame. Madam was I mean on come on. Me di nchia sonko efree sampa man hene na samaja flower tosom bi no asuye edi brem. Enra na obidi video bi sendi mi. Aye na Dormaahene na okasa ewo sunwane emra na omo bie National Signal Bureau o masuye a ewo sunwane. En kami mfi no kami nyina no na moment crofo a no omo wo program na se no aye the Interior Minister, the Regional Minister, the Chieftaincy Minister eno ntina mekasa sabi se obi ji usika so ode ubekwa abuchi na wantimi amfa wanko na okọ airport na ode ukọ na ukọ na ukotwa pictures okohia na damfo bi na akọ na akotwa pictures anke ne yemfa ye ho eye na Asantehene ene na Dormaahene ne omo mojiji free Farouk Ahmed ene na ebusia ho se ombebua ema ya gazette no na owantimi amaso no eno ntina sese bibi omoko bia no na omafa no e de na duomachi because they want to manage him. Nana Dormaahene e ka bibi say eye Abrantia Farouk Ahmed na odi na konwa e na ye busua e be challenge no e na ekire e koduru manhia no e na ye ni free menim ni ntia Nana Dormaahene etimi kata nani e kan semu a ono ankasa di mpa se enye no kre menim se Nana Dormaahene si ye busua ebe challenge sam modua na wodi na konwa Nana Dormaahene produce krata ba ko mienu a ekire se ampa Farouk Ahmed no wo hini ene ye be challenge se ye dibi o timi produce bi e di kire Ghana fo a na Ghana fo ehunu no kre Nana Dormaahene ni o kan nyina no sebi eye bosremu kan no kre bi anim abusiafo sampa nkonwa sam start ye na ye nim Farouk Ahmed yo ye nim ni maame kura eni wamma ene ye nya yasem entu hwe asem no start ya ekopie mu wo Asantehene fie e wo sampa ye ne eni wamma ene ko ye ne adama watara no ma ye wie ye no a Nana Kofi no 37 member committee ahemfun son no mo traditional area no mo traditional council members of them a mo tena asem no so no na ye ni eni wamma ena na ye di asem ye nim Farouk Ahmed ene ni maame sa asem no ena na ewo Bunu region emera wo mo kan ye a wo mo kamaye na still ye ni wamma na ntia se wona na ewo ho eno ene ye di ba Asanteman enti Asanteman tena so kan wie ye no Adama Watara egitu mu opanyine Abu Mama egitu mu ene wo mo sre ye rantam kese kan ntam kese se omo mie no be ka bomu no man yi nipa wo sefata no wedi ade na sampa fa ne ntuma pafra ebusiafo ye beduru sampa opanyine Adama Watara ene opanyine Abu Mahama no mu ye meetings omu ba meetings be hia eye bibia enomo ena ye behunu sampa atena konwa ene ye ka kire wo se ye mra menhia na ye meda wo mase ene wo musuma ahemfuni bi na jamra hini ka ho ene the registrar ene adaf enkrofo bi se wo mra Asanteman to mo ba Asanteman na nko mo ba be enkwai se wo mawie na ye de aseda ba na no mo se de bi enkrofo bi di petition fufuro ba ye fresh petition enti yen twan no mo hwehwe sa petition no mo sa petition no ena Farouk Ahmed ene ni maame no edi baaye ena mo di ba Asanteman se wo mo nso edi sampa kodwane bi. That was the petition. Me the video atuho manhunu video ekire se yewra bebisa se sampa yesi petition bi aba hwan no ene di baaye obehunu mansa rose obepagya ne nsan waka se ane wo mu no di baaye. Sa video no mo no se mimi di akonwa na obi challenge mi na me di ko baby a meka se me mabu me yesima de so 10 years ni ena simasi ebe challenge mi ba hwan na hu sa de no wo video no mo no enti mesre na Dormaahene ade a onnim no emane mfa enibre ene jealousy en kansemu a eni ho ni hatred na owama Asanteman no eno and what the abayam so your mistake nyina ye nyina ne say ono no nanka wo hwehwe say yes fine na sama jafla so we no aka say meyi me hu afira santeman mo no de ne ho abebo no enka no de nana Dormaahene di brass band and ebedi echi ebusia yentimi nka say yenim nyansa esin ye nana no mo a omo be chitiri sampa kro wie ye ba ne wa santeman na ye be ka say yakọ school ye kura masters ana ye wenti no ye beyi ye hu afiri bebi a ye nananom dwane ba for protection. We won't do that. Entimasre nana Dormaahene ne nsem na wo ka no sebi o ye panyini a wodi ne nkurofo anim wodi doma anim entimasre no mesre no o ka bibia onhwehwe no kura akire kwan na onfa no kura enni nanim se nana Dormaahene se na Farouk Ahmed edi akonwa wo bibia mesre no onfa sankrata na akire se odi ade e na ye be challenge no sa summons people no na ye challenge no na ne din wo mu a ye challenge no onfa mra na ye hwe oh aden ti na wodi otan ene ya ne bre e be kan nsem a enim nana Dormaahene mesre wo enka memfi wo na enkrofo na no mo ho nte na memfi chieftaincy minister. I decided not to talk anything about you. Me dia madwen say me nkasa emfa wo ho emra nana sama jafla be so awie ya ye wurade sampa hye ne nsa na wo ye the first Sumbe festival e wo Jamra ye traditional town ahimfo mo sampa traditional council nyina e be hye wo ho saa da no nso no Farouk Ahmed ene na busuan so e organize bi wo sampa samra na wonya chieftaincy minister ban oba omudie ne bi. But it didn't pertain. I'm bothered because that was your choice. But see here, you are a minister of chieftaincy. We are minister now. Minister, you are not operating in vacuum. You are a member any money any kind of mra. It should be guided by that. Wadam funi musi ni akoda na or some my friend Brahma musi anakwami bonsusu. Wadam funono. And therefore, you are tempted to support them. But we don't have any problem. But we want you to use the very law now. Amma wakunya any tumia. We ye chieftaincy minister no. We want you to use it. Some pamaina ya gazette no legally. Any nana sama jafla. But in all occasion, mo ko baby na mo frɛ Farouk Ahmed. And I'm say, Kwame Bonsusu, Brahma Bosia wadam fontino. You are supporting them. No way you know the abana mo cancel. Interior Minister, we are not saying say for bodyguards DH. No. That is not what we are saying. We are saying say obi ye boni e fatuo koku obi koshi obi dan e so camera sini so say we ye we na otimi ye ampa na manchi na then mu kire other side and say they can also do the same thing, and that is what we don't want. And until ye ka kire mo say obi ye boni a munchi no we so ye ade Edin said we should ask from you, Interior Minister, and you've ordered Honorable Muntaka and the Wunkro for more year politics, and a man order the police commander say a man in Chiobia and they are fomenting trouble, killing people, burning people's properties. Omunso Omunlidia Omun's Chim Krofadiano, yet Tom Omunu Massive for Grampona, they cannot even get a kiosk. Therefore, you can't get theirs to burn. Honorable Muntaka, RESEC, Mesremu, police commander, military commander, any other security agencies are move Bunu region, are move falling under RESEC. Later now, regional minister Ekireyeno, meeting Ben Namuye ya or Kireye. He is using your names to settle a personal score. Personal score, Nedian. Time one day walk out to know your lawyer. He argued against Sampa being a member of the Asantehene Council, knowing very well said that is the truth. And he say Wababe minister, and therefore being the head of security in the region, no, or you so at their cover one, and they are causing problem, fomenting trouble, atrocities, killing people, burning people properties, and you are looking at them forgetting your professionalism as a security agencies. Abra IGP obi beka say oh we hu otan na makochi no obi betimi ade bi obi atam na makochi no then somebody betimi aso camera Daniel Okra betimi aso camera say moye we a ye be hikro ye be kum krofo bewu na ampampa. They went ahead to burn people's property and kill people, and you've not arrested anyone. Who say what bandit you muntaka honorable muntaka say what bandit you yakwa program eba. Somebody at the full glare of the police officers at to trio at their shaka more prank before, and they've not arrested anyone. They're been Ghana and what kind of nation are we building? More politics entities is some pamponia. That is the fact. Until best remo. Best remo. The another Dormaahene and the surrogate. Sumahene air canning nano a yentro sabi. We are penny and can say me catch or say intro, but that is the truth. Because ye dear, near woo penny and say, ube ye nabasabasaya basampa. Na cash for muto or more yen no more relocated the abamon kuruno. That is what you want. But yen so musu ye nye bibia adibiara ebebiano ye de Ghana mra ya mamre ene ya manye ene ye de beso. Enti ne na me pese timamufuo mu bisa Honorable Interior Minister and the Chieftaincy Minister. Moye enkrofo a sebi mako school. Monim de e wo animu. Nana Dormaahene ene Sumahene e ka bibi kire mu a. E wo mu se omo ka mo party ne ho. E wo mu se they are NDC people. But Muntemi emfa nyomo o maka ne trasa. You have to investigate and find out what is actually happening. Timesremo. Sikana eye Sumahene ejiji free omo ho no eno a on say Nana Sumahene has to say what transit in all being nyame o che nkwada e de ma wo mu a omo wa batoye. They think about children. You cannot want to destroy the children of Sampa. Nte mesro bibiara ne Nana Dormaahene e kan ne wo ye ne nyina no e yentro e ye politics e no mo ye politics e ye regional minister obia nobody is saying say favor somebody ne na ye kan nyina ne say let them bra no nya adwuma. Don't cover up people because you were their lawyer. Who doesn't know say Sampa is a member of this Asantehene council? Why name? And now why so no betimi aka kire me say some would be afo be gina Asantehene time wana asem no koso nyina no. They were pressing the processes. As a lawyer, now there is arbitration, now arbitral award aba. Then you are instigating them to go on the street, burn people's property, kill people, and as a head of security in the region, because you've been their lawyer before. Now Sumahene and Dormaahene are in your same party. No more support to Unentino. You allow them to destroy the town. Say a yema unawuda a won kwadaibi. Unana Dormaahene venasa no womanom ni we no wo na adia ompese be ye wo no eno na pese ye sampa nkwada adia nyame ene wo ene bedili. So enti munyi politics emfrimu. It's not about politics. Sampa is in the right hand of the royal side. So mudi Sampa so. Ena ya kan wi ya ka Sampa nko nya sama wi se ofi se bibi ekoso a enya. Nana Dormaahene, you are a judge. Unim pasa ni ekoso bia e nokre. Na mbomu ha wi. Tinyame nka mo no mbom ho ban. Mripa mo no yebesa akasa biom. Bye bye.